Hey everyone, my name is Caroline and I'm the co-president of American Marketing Association, a business organization here at UIC. At American Marketing Association, you gain access to awesome networking opportunities through networking events from companies like Facebook and Alta, along with Microsoft. We also have skillful workshops and certifications where you can advance your skills and add them to your LinkedIn or resume. By having access to these events, you get a taste of all types of business avenues and gain valuable skills and connections when looking for internships, and this allows for an easier transition when going into the workforce.
My name is Karla Ramirez and I'm also a co-president of AMA UIC. One of the many great things about AMA is that we provide professional and personal development by offering a range of leadership opportunities. You can join our leadership team, our agency's leadership team, our mentorship or apprenticeship program to help you enhance your leadership skills and help you stand out on your resume. To help you land these awesome opportunities, we prepare you by giving you a chance to compete in our yearly International Collegiate Conference that takes place in Chicago, where you can participate in exciting competitions, win prestigious awards, gain scholarship opportunities, and hear the inspiring stories of keynote speakers.
At AMA, we have our very own marketing agency called 594 Marketing Solutions, where you can further develop your real-world marketing skills and work with clients such as Tampico, Bosch, Northwestern, and more. AMA is also hosting its very own conference this fall, where members can further develop their marketing skills and win additional cash prizes, as well as access to internship opportunities as well. AMA is also looking forward to hosting more site visits this year, as this is something that we loved to do in the past.
The awesome thing about AMA is that since we are such an open and friendly community, we strongly encourage all majors, no matter the field, to join. At AMA, we love to help each other grow by offering numerous resources and hosting volunteer events and socials where we get to bond. This helps us expand our network and help build unity around campus. Join us every week for a fun and fresh new experience. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook for the latest updates, as well as our website at amauichicago.org.